think Ultimate Warrior, Jim Hellwig, I think he gets it. He gets what people want to see, and he delivers each time. I haven't saw Ultimate Warrior one where if it's been serious or if it comes on, you know, his face paint, you know, I haven't been disappointed. My favourite YouTuber, Full Sorry Gay God, is got to be James Nintendo Nerd, Angry Video Game Nerd. I absolutely adore his videos. I think they're so funny, so well written, and I just can't get enough of him. I think he's great.
Here's to The Undertaker and his amazing legacy at WrestleMania. I was out last night, but my night out was ruined. It was ruined by me, my body. At one part of the night, I just all of a sudden started hiccuping. And it just lasted throughout the whole night. So my night was ruined by hiccups.
So, just got done watching WrestleMania X-Seven from April 1st, 2001, from the Reliant Astrodome. When I was at WrestleMania 25, the Reliant Astrodome was near the new stadium where WrestleMania 25 took place, so I got a chance to visit the site of the greatest, not just the greatest WrestleMania of all time, but the greatest wrestling produced pay-per-view ever. Number one is the greatest WrestleMania match of all time. Yes, it beats Shawn Michaels v Bret Hart. Stone Cold Steve Austin versus The Rock. I've watched this numerous times. This felt like, you know, the atmosphere of like a football match, you know. You really, even though we all know it's predetermined yet. Like, when I was 13, I really wanted Austin to beat The Rock, and this was his arch rival. This was his closest rival, The Rock. Oh, it was just the chemistry of it, as I've mentioned before, between these two is off the page, and this match absolutely delivered. Blew their WrestleMania 15 match out of the water, blew all their matches out of the water. This was the greatest Austin v Rock match, and I can't think of a professional wrestling match that I've seen in my 20 plus years of watching that tops this. This was unbelievable. In fact, I'm going to give it 6 stars. 6 stars. This match is absolutely, you know, what main events are made for. Two of the biggest stars in wrestling history going one-on-one, both in their prime. It was a sight to see. And of course, WrestleMania 17 takes my top spot when I've been rewatching the WrestleMania. It's now ahead of WrestleMania 3, and I don't think any of the upcoming WrestleManias I will rewatch will top it. Maybe WrestleMania 34 will, maybe not.